Have you ever experienced tingling or numbness in your hands or feet? Or perhaps you have struggled with loss of motor function or difficulty walking. These symptoms could be due to nerve damage, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as injury, infection, or certain medical conditions. But did you know that certain vitamins can help repair nerve damage and improve nerve function? In this video, we'll explore 7 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage naturally. From vitamin B12 to alpha-lipoic acid, these vitamins play a crucial role in protecting nerves from damage, reducing inflammation, and promoting blood flow. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve nerve function and repair nerve damage, keep watching because we have some amazing vitamins to share with you. Vitamin B12 is an essential vitamin that plays a crucial role in nerve function. It helps in the formation of the myelin sheath, which is a protective layer around nerves. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to nerve damage, causing tingling and numbness in the hands and feet, and even problems with balance and coordination. One of the main sources of vitamin B12 is animal products such as meat, fish, and dairy. Vegetarians and vegans may have a higher risk of vitamin B12 deficiency and may need to take supplements or consume fortified foods to ensure they are getting enough of this vital nutrient. Supplementing with vitamin B12 can help improve nerve function and repair damaged nerves. It can also improve cognitive function and boost energy levels. If you are experiencing symptoms of nerve damage, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if vitamin B12 supplementation may be beneficial for you. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is an essential vitamin that plays a crucial role in nerve function. It is involved in the creation of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerves. Vitamin B6 also helps to regulate mood and is involved in the synthesis of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in red blood cells. Vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to nerve damage, as well as a range of other health problems such as anemia, depression, and skin inflammation. It's important to ensure that you're getting enough vitamin B6 in your diet, and good sources include bananas, chickpeas, salmon, chicken, and potatoes. Taking vitamin B6 supplements can also be beneficial for people with certain health conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome and premenstrual syndrome, PMS. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Overall, ensuring adequate vitamin B6 intake can help support healthy nerve function and overall health. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for a variety of bodily functions. It is most well known for its role in bone health, as it helps the body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. However, vitamin D is also important for nerve health. One of the ways vitamin D promotes nerve health is by playing a crucial role in the production of nerve growth factors. These proteins help nerves grow and repair, and vitamin D deficiency can lead to nerve damage and exacerbate existing nerve damage. Additionally, vitamin D can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to nerve damage. Studies have also shown that vitamin D may play a role in preventing certain neurological conditions, such as multiple sclerosis. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, as the body produces it when the skin is exposed to UV rays. However, many people don't get enough sunlight or have difficulty absorbing vitamin D from sunlight alone. In these cases, a vitamin D supplement may be necessary to ensure adequate levels of this essential vitamin. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting cells and tissues from damage. It is also known to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for a wide range of health conditions. In particular, vitamin E has been shown to help repair nerve damage by reducing inflammation and promoting blood flow to the nerves. This can help improve nerve function and alleviate symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and pain. Vitamin E is also important for skin health, as it helps protect against UV damage and promotes healthy skin growth. You can find vitamin E in foods such as almonds, spinach, and avocado, or you can take a supplement. However, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before taking any supplements, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition or are taking medications. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in our overall health. It is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin C is also important for immune function, wound healing, and collagen production. Collagen. One of the lesser-known benefits of vitamin C is its ability to help repair nerve damage. It promotes the production of collagen, which is a protein that helps repair tissues. This includes the tissues in our nerves, which can become damaged due to a variety of factors. Vitamin C deficiency can lead to nerve damage, so it's important to ensure that you're getting enough of this vitamin. You can find vitamin C in foods such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. If you're not getting enough vitamin C from your diet, you can also take a supplement. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that can help repair nerve damage. It is naturally produced in the body, but it can also be found in some foods such as spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes. Alpha-lipoic acid works by reducing inflammation and promoting blood flow to the nerves, which can help repair damaged nerves. It can also regenerate other antioxidants such as vitamin C and vitamin E, which can further protect nerves from damage. Studies have shown that alpha-lipoic acid can improve symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, a condition that affects nerves in people with diabetes. It has also been shown to improve symptoms of other nerve-related conditions, such as carpal tunnel syndrome and sciatica. Alpha-lipoic acid is available as a supplement in capsule or tablet form. It is important to talk to your doctor before taking any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in nerve function and can help repair nerve damage. It's essential for the transmission of signals between nerves and muscles and helps regulate the levels of calcium and potassium in the body. Magnesium deficiency can lead to nerve damage and can exacerbate existing nerve damage. In addition to its role in nerve function, magnesium also helps maintain healthy bones, supports heart health, and regulates blood sugar levels. You can find magnesium in foods such as spinach, almonds, black beans, and whole grains. If you're not getting enough magnesium from your diet, you can also take a supplement. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements to ensure they're safe for you and won't interact with any medications you're taking. In conclusion, nerve damage can be a debilitating condition that can affect various aspects of daily life. However, incorporating certain vitamins into your diet can help repair nerve damage and improve your overall health. Vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin C, alpha-lipoic acid, and magnesium can all play a vital role in protecting nerves from damage and promoting nerve regeneration. These vitamins can also provide additional health benefits, such as supporting heart health, maintaining healthy bones, and regulating blood sugar levels. In addition to incorporating these vitamins into your diet, it's also crucial to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management techniques can all help promote nerve health and prevent further damage. Remember, nerve damage can be a challenging condition to live with, but there are steps you can take to improve your quality of life. By incorporating these vitamins into your diet and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can repair nerve damage and promote overall wellness.